What's your health score? The score that identifies if you're at greater risk of the most troubling diseases and conditions. The score that signals that these diseases and conditions may be silently developing inside your body. The score that will help you understand how your body is alerting you with several early warning signs. For the first time, you're able to get an overall health score with a new, simple, and non-invasive test called GlycoCheck. It's a new patented technology, and the test can be easily performed in a healthcare practitioner's office. GlycoCheck gives you and your healthcare provider the one single number, a Microvascular Health Score, that alerts you when trouble could be lurking deep inside your capillaries. The good news is that even if you have a poor score, you can easily improve your health. While you may look healthy on the outside, inside your microvascular system, a completely different situation could be unfolding. With the discovery of a transparent lining in your capillaries called the Glycocalyx, your health could be declining because that lining may be breaking down and becoming leaky, which can contribute to the advancement of many diseases that develop over time. Aging, poor diet, lack of exercise, genetics, stress, and smoking can cause the Glycocalyx to break down. In the past, there hasn't been a way to peer deep inside the microvascular system to observe the breakdown of the Glycocalyx. But now, for the first time with GlycoCheck, it's possible to see live movement of red blood cells as they travel through microvessels. GlycoCheck was created out of the need to measure the microvascular system by world-renowned researcher Dr. Hans Vink. Dr. Vink began his intense study of the Glycocalyx in 1989. Over the years, he has received many research grants and prestigious awards, all focused on the discovery and breakthrough understanding about the importance and clinical implications of the Glycocalyx. He has authored or contributed to hundreds of scholarly papers and reviews. GlycoCheck works by simply placing a video microscope under the tongue for a few moments to video record, analyze, and objectively report a single overall microvascular health score. GlycoCheck counts the number of blood vessels and capillaries and measures red blood flow concentration. It also measures flow rate and if and how deeply the blood cells penetrate into the protective Glycocalyx gel lining, a sign of deterioration. GlycoCheck combines all these important measurements together to generate a single systemic microvascular health score. Lower scores indicate greater risk to the health of your organs. As the test is becoming more available, it can be administered in a healthcare practitioner's office. Each test includes a baseline score and video of the microvascular blood flow and tracks how, over time, the microvascular score declines with health deterioration or improves with therapy. Today, there are more than 85 ongoing clinical studies in locations worldwide, such as Duke University, University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, VA Hospital of Salt Lake City, Children's Hospital in Philadelphia, the University of Oxford, Harvard Beth Israel, Leiden University Medical Center, Steno Diabetes Center, University of Exeter, and dozens more. These respected research centers are all using GlycoCheck to confirm that a damaged Glycocalyx contributes to several diseases and conditions, as well as the resulting complications from diabetes, stroke, septic shock, obesity, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, and other diseases. With GlycoCheck, now you can be tested and get the score that reveals the overall health of your microvascular system. With the results of your test, you will be in a better position to apply therapies and nutrition that can improve your microvascular health score. For more details about GlycoCheck, go to glycocheck.com.